Okay, good people. I go to the oblique triangles. The oblique triangles the oblique triangles are those triangles that are not right-angled triangle. Yeah. Scamo, it's not the right-angled triangle. With right-angled triangles, we will receive Pythagoras theorem, trig ratios, the area right-angled triangle, half base height. So, c'est again, sine rule. So, we will apply a cosine rule. So, number 2 is a cosine rule. So, still with our oblique triangles, monogonal A, monogonal B, monogonal C, side linear itaba A, line yaba B nyani, linear yaba C enya. So cosine rule is what? Cosine rule comment on ika tela ina. A squared if we call it side linear B squared plus C squared minus 2B times C the cos of A. Eu butinga yona kwala ga yona. U butinga yona kwala ga yona. Bereta perere B squared ile kana le eng A squared plus C squared minus 2AC re butinga ka B re kwala ga eng ka B cos of angle B. Aban bereta re C squared itole kana le eng A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos of C. Right one. Kiona formula tsa bona tsa cosine rule. What are the requirements for cosine rule? Requirements. Today, batala ngo sebedise the cosine rule. Again. So ya pele A re hloka two sides and what? And included angle. So how included angle? Remina. Comment on ke ma side a mabedi. Dipakeng tsa ma side a tla me re bana le angle. Kisa chips. About and then angle tla me be kae? That is what? That is an included angle. It's not opposite to any of the sides. I want it back in the side down 2. And then maybe 3, requirement. Okay? 3 sides. Come on, so give 3 sides that are given. And our four angle. Kaugana. Kia inye. Kia cosine rule. Another example. Cosine rule. Here can maybe triangle ba so. Whenever A angle mo ke 125 degrees. B C come on iguanali 10 look at the 12. 10 and 12. Here, Baba find the length of BC. We've got 2 sides. Here, sine rule you must have 2 sides and an opposite angle. So side le haretamo arena angle. Side le haretamo arena angle. So you can use what? Sine rule. Then retaka unto it ngona jale cosine rule, which talks about what? We are going 2 sides and an included angle. It depends on my side 2. Kile the side. Angle can depends on ki A. So kana angle ya A. So kama to sip safe yona ya because angle ke A. So side le re batlang ke lona A nya. Ba bona because mona ke A nyane, mona ke B nyane, mane ke C nya. So a re tsebe A nya. So ke mo cos rule ke nang teng. Re solution for solution a rona re tlo re A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos of A. So A squared is equal to 12 squared plus 10 squared minus 2, 12 times 10 cos of 125 degrees. So I punch a calculating fella inside this over here, and then I keep 12 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 12 times 10 cos of 125. It was 381,65883. Here, kids are working decimal for. I also fit to final answer here. What do we do from here? We introduce square root on both sides. Square root come on here. Square root is cancelling square. That's like A or 2 square root answer square root. The total is 19,54 units. So therefore BC it will not 19,54 units. I want to see it. I want. Good. Arrête de vous dire, moi va trouver bataille. Moi va te vérifier, ma site amagaye. Ma site ali 3 né. Ma site ali 3. It's our example 2. We on a cosine rule. Good, and then we're gonna do EDF 9,3 3,5 and 6,9. Remove 3 sides given. So we're gonna find maybe E, find D, find F. Wanna read thing? I find what? F. Or it's F. Find angle F. This one. So my one about the both theta man here. Find angle theta. So I say find F. So how do we find angle F? Come on, Toma. How about F? F can never be equal. Because we want the angle. So if we want the angle, can we small letter setting setting? Si bude angle is equal. So come on, Toma. Angle is equal. F. F is equal. So king is equal. F. So in this case, we are going to have what for our solution? Arrange one. A small letter F squared is equal to E squared plus D squared. Minus 2ED. Cos of what? Cos of F, angle F. So I receive it. A small letter F qui c'est comme hier. So opposite so mon F, comme on a D ka mona ke E opposite to that ne. So F ya gona ke kae ke 3,5 squared is equal to what? Small letter E. E keep kae nyani 6,9 whatever plus square here D ya gona keep kae 9,3 squared minus 2 into 6,9 you have kae mo 9,3 cos of angle what? Cos of angle F. We're looking for it ne ki transpose into tse di le 2 ki tisa kae kisera mo wa so ki sala ka nka mo ki tlo bana le 3,5 squared minus 6,9 squared minus okay 9,3 squared aye ele kana le in the negative 2 6,9 9,3 cos of angle F. What are you? Cos of angle F. So we can figure more. You divide both sides. Okay, negative 2 into 6,9. Aye, 9,3. This cancels that. Resala ingamu ka cos of angle F. Whatever negative 2 into 6,9 multiply 9,3 here because you divide both sides. Hari game cheating here. Rebone to sala ka kae mo. Hari 3,5 squared minus yeah, it over 0,94943. I also fit the answer. Aye. So I don't want to cos of F it will be 0,94943 rebataing angle F. It will be angle F, it will be arc cos 0,94943 angle F itu kan ada kai shift up cos 0,94943 18,3 ne itu ba 18,3 degrees. Kenye le fini, kenye le ane re tutsenya. Ra bona. Ke re sipseng cosine rule. Ra bona. Good. So le exercise ya pele yana. Ono na mo nka khona o sipsa cosine. But because ono se go tseba ka cosine. Ono tlameha go o sebise o batle the sum of angles of a triangle. Ra bona. Yeah, that's good. Any questions around cosine rule? La bona ke ntse jwang again re sharp ha re tseng re ke le fe exercise ya cosine rule re practice and then re kgone go kwala ka area rule. Thank you.